phone seems to be working fine, but like the connections are in, the connections are clean, there doesn't seem to be any problem with it. But I say, if I try to close it down, it goes up to, it just goes into a white screen like that. Oh, see, it's just the screen's not working properly. There might be a connection, a break or something in the actual cable between the screen, but as far as I can tell, the screen itself is faulty.
Seems so.
The actual screen itself, particularly the cable for it, I'm not sure. It seems to be.
Yeah, and can we show the cable? We've not damaged the cable in any way. It's not kinked in any kind of way. It's completely straight.
Yeah.
So,
but there's no kinks in it or anything. There doesn't appear to be any damage, any visual damage to it at all. But I say it doesn't actually seem to work. The screen's gone.
it does look like a cable issue.
Yeah, because those connectors are solidly down.
Right, we've just basically put on a new screen onto here, and the phone appears to be working absolutely fine. The screen works just perfect, just showing that the screen you sent us is clearly not has problems. As we demonstrated the other night, there are no kinks in the wire, or like we've not done anything different as to we've done here. This one seems to be working fine. This is another screen that we've bought. Our client wanted us to fix this quickly, so we had no choice. We had to buy this immediately. Yeah, the screen you've sent us, absolute perfect condition. Isn't working. And here is just video evidence that we've done everything to the best of our abilities. Really, I don't know if that's focusing all right. Yeah, like no. Yeah, that's focused enough.